Welcome students to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I am going to explain you topic related to admission of a partner. When new partner brings only a part of his share of goodwill, that is premium, in cash, right? Out of the total goodwill, a new partner is able to bring only a portion of his premium for goodwill in cash. Now, in such type of questions, what are the journal entries? What are the basic journal entries to be passed? Are as follows. First, bank account debit to premium for goodwill. Here we need to write the portion of goodwill which is being brought in by the new partner in cash. Then the second entry, premium for goodwill account debit. We need to mention here the goodwill amount brought in cash. New partner's current account debit, we need to mention here the amount of goodwill which was not brought in by the new partner in cash. To sacrificing partner's capital account, whole goodwill which is debited is to be credited among sacrificing partner in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so these are two basic journal entries which are needed to be passed. Here we need to make necessary changes, that is, in place of partner we need to write the name of the partner, okay, and solve the question. Now here I am just explaining you question number 43. Okay, question number 43. Just see question number 43. I am showing you from DK World. X, Y and Z were partners sharing profits and losses as to 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. If you just solve this 1/2 ratio 1/3 and 1/6, you will get the answer 3:1. 3:2:1 as the old profit sharing ratio between X, Y and Z. As from 1st April 2019, they agreed to admit A into partnership. New partner here is A for 1/6 share in profit or losses. Okay. The share of A, the new partner, is 1/6, which he acquires equally from X and Y. The sacrificing partners are X and Y, and they are sacrificing in the ratio 1:1. Okay, the goodwill which is brought in by the new partner is distributed amongst sacrificing partners in the sacrificing ratio. Here the partners who are sacrificing are X and Y equally. Okay, keep in mind. And is to bring in 50,000 for his capital. A is bringing capital 50,000, and 20,000 is to be brought in by new partner for goodwill. But in place of 20,000, A is able to bring only how much? 15,000 rupees. Okay, in cash. The rest amount will be charged from new partner's current account. That is, rupees 5,000 will be charged from the A's current account and is to be distributed amongst sacrificing partner X and Y in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so we are going to pass the journal entry for bringing the premium for goodwill amount in cash and capital amount by the new partner. The very first journal entry, as already explained to you, is bank account debit to premium for goodwill to A's capital. Goodwill is 15,000 and capital is 50,000. Total amount is 65,000. Now this premium for goodwill amount 15,000 as well as the amount of this goodwill which was not brought in by A in cash is to be charged from the A's current account. That is 5,000 will be charged. So A's current account will be debited and will be created among sacrificing partner X and Y in the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio between X and Y is 1:1. Okay. This is the solution of question number 43. Now try to solve the questions based on this premium for goodwill up to 48. 48th is the last question. After that, the revaluation of assets and liabilities is to be done. A new topic will be explained to you. Okay, just take the screenshot of the same and note it in the fair notebook. Okay, prepare these write them in the fair notebook as notes. Okay, so that's all for today. A YouTube video link of the same explanation will be shared by me in the class WhatsApp group. Okay, if there is any query, you can just share the queries in my personal WhatsApp number. Your queries will be solved. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.